Hi everybody, this is Solomon Knight. Hello, good evening. Sorry I can't get the video out today. I'm doing a lot for Prudence. I will get that out next week, but I have to get this out because this is getting demoralizing. And as you see, the clown Pepe is up. So know what that means. Honk honk mother. You know, the song in the background is appropriate. It was originally made as a war march, the War March for Clowns, which has become our world. Anyway, let's just see why we are living in clown world. All right, White House defends Milley, giving context. Joyce Chiefs affirmed calls to China. We're defending treason. There are Haitians at the U.S.-Mexican border, which is nowhere near Haiti. Afghanistan is still an absolute crap fest. And the Republicans have filed impeachment, which are going to go nowhere. Let me bring Pepe back up. You know, I'm not even that mad anymore. At this point, I've kind of just lost the will to care. I mean, I have my own goal. I want to set up culture and start affecting things that way. But seeing all this, it just makes me even more aware that news just ain't it. I gotta keep branching out. Project 1776 shall commence, and we shall make America great again. But this clown world has got to go. Hello there. This is Solomon Knight, and I take it you made it to the end of the video. I graciously want to say thank you for your time. If you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe. I also have several social media accounts that you can follow me on, and there's even some alt tech exclusives. Link in the descriptions below. See you there.